Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, Fish and Build. Today, so nakauwi na tayo after a month. Ngayon, let's try naman mag-review ng ating gagamitin sa bangka. So yung bangka ko, yan ang aking bangka. Ayan, malapit na siya at ang aking trailer. May update din ako sa trailer ko. At yung aking bangka is for under upgrade. Later on makikita nyo yung upgrade nyan. Wala pa siyang internal arrangement, pati yung beautification nya. Okay, so ngayon review natin itong ating outboard, bagong outboard natin. Itong outboard natin, so ito yung nabili ko sa online. I buy this one on online for okay. So I'm going to speak on English for a purpose of review, and bear on me on my accent and call this kung clear or understanding of this Hangkai Outboard 3.5 horsepower. Okay. So for the purpose of this video, starting of this engine, before you start there is some of the maintenance and check before starting this engine. Okay, so ang bili ko pala dito, so the price of this engine is around in dollar is like this motor is $300 in dollars. In pesos is around 15,000. So ito yung this is the call this I unboxed already this engine. So the engine came up with these tools and this machine. Okay, this outboard. Okay, we will test this one, but first I need to check if there's some special need to check on the engine and to this propeller. I review all, I watched some video of this outboard, but you need to put a check first in this additionals. There's some additionals before you start this engine. Okay, especially this part. This part, the propeller is need to have oil or gear oil. They're putting gear oil on this one. I'm going to dismantle this propeller, and then after that I put a gear oil, and then after that you need to put, of course there's some check. I need to check this inside is all connected and no worries to start. Okay, I already dismantled this part, but for the easy review. Okay, so I unboxed already this outboard and came up with these tools. So this is the basic tools that have of this this Hangkai. Okay, so he has additional starting full start. This is the full start, this is the additional. Okay, most probably I experienced also this full start got ruined or this dismantled inside. So this motor has spare parts of this one. Okay, this I think this one is also for the cooling system. If it is broken inside, there's a spare also. This one I don't know. And came up with the 3-pin. This pin is on this inside. There's a pin here in the inside. Okay, with the tools and spark plug, some Allen screw and spanner. Okay, and especially also this mixture of oil and gasoline. Later on we will demonstrate also about that. And this panel is just a normal panel. Okay, this one is not. So with the manual also. So I reviewed the manual. and I check some of the features here in the engine, and the engine is quite good. I have an engine also before, but I will show later on. Or, if you can see on the left side, that's my engine before. And okay, so let's give a review now. Okay, so I'll start with this dismantling of this propeller. Okay, and show you what is inside, and then we put gear oil, and then after that we put the gas, of course, and then we check the inside before we start. Okay. Okay, with the pin. Okay guys, so I show you this propeller how to remove. So it's easy on this. So just snap this one, and it will come out easily. Okay. The pin. Check out this guys, see this one. When I came up, it's loose, see. So if you did not check this one, see this one, when I remove this one is loose. Okay, so we need to recheck all the bolts, nuts of this engine, no? Ilapit mo sa akin to. So when I remove this one is loose. So that's why you need to check all these because of course this engine is made with China. Of course China is a different story about quality. So I need to remove this one first, then I'll show you the inside if there's oil or nothing. Some review on the YouTube videos has no oil on the inside. Okay, i-type mo na. Of course, if you remove something on the engine, you need to check also what bolt and where you put again. No? Okay, it's very important stuff on checking in your dismantling engine. Okay. This one is a little tight because there is a seal inside. Easy. Oh. Okay, this is the inside arrangement. This gear. Okay. Okay. Oh, my oil. So there's a oil. Okay, there's a oil. I'll check this one. So it came with the gear oil inside. Okay, check guys. Okay, there is a gear oil inside. I thought there's no gear oil, so I spill it I spill the gear oil. So in any case now it's I don't know what kind of gear oil this one. So I will dispose this one with, and then I change with new one. Okay. I just okay. Check. So I thought there is no oil inside, no oil inside. So this is the, if you check this gear inside, can you check? So that's the gear is okay. One check of this is okay. The gear is all okay, and there's nothing, no defects. Anyway, that's why we are checking first. I'll check with this oil, right? Anyway, already spill. Okay, I will change with this. This is the gear oil I have, but it's gear oil. Okay, still the same. We, if you see the line there, the line, that's the all this the mark. If you put the oil, anyway, once you, it's like if you use this one for almost let's say yeah, let's say that the engine you use with long time, also you need to change also this Mhm. Okay. Okay, when you put back this one, just push it, or else there's one way of layo ko konti. There's one way of putting this one evenly. Put the nut. Put the nut. This is the other option. If you push, if you put, you can, of course, pushing is also good. But if you put it back, much easier and more easy. Just put the nut at the boot and then tighten it a little bit, easy. Side to side, and then it will be fit. See? It's much more easy, no? Rather than push. Okay. Alright. Okay, just tight, properly tight, just tight. Okay, that's it. See? It's easy. Alright. We put back the okay, we put the pin. Don't forget the pin. There's a pin here. This is the pin for, you see the, kita mo, you see this groove, not the groove, so it's this one going here. Okay, see, well lock now. Okay. Then don't forget the split pin. Alright. I think this one is made with cast iron. This one looks good. It's stainless. I think so. Because it's quite flexible. Put it back, and then just give a little twist. That's it, so that it will lock. This is the only this way, so that's why you need to check also this one. If it's time to time you check this one. Because it will, if you lose your propeller, it's very not pleasant for you when you are on fishing and boating activity. Okay, careful, always check. That's why you need to check first before you go. Okay, that's it. That's the first check. Alright, now second check now. Right, so check naman na, let's okay, all right, let's check the inside. What's the inside connection? Better to check rather not. Okay. Checking the inside because when I buy last time with this outboard last time, as plenty leak, and then leak, and then some of the connection has not properly inserted. So now see, check the inside now. Okay. All right, so now this is the inside now. So I'll check the connection from the oil. This return the vacuum, and then this is the for the fuel. Okay, going there. Okay, that's it. So looks okay. Only we need to check all these all the nut. If it's tight, spark plug good connection, properly inserted, and then the gas tank, no leak, no hole, and that's it. Okay, just quick check only on the bolt and nuts. Let's see if it's tight. See, it's not tight. That's why really you need to properly check it before you start this engine. That's the problem when you buy a new engine, and then of course everybody excited. You try to very important. Okay, seat position. Okay, tight. It's very good also to oily all these moving parts, so that they get lubricated properly. And the grease point, there is a grease point also here. See this one? It's a grease point. Okay. That one you need to grease also. That one, okay? Very important. Of course, if you be a long time using this one, it's better to grease all parts once you are using it. I'll put everything inside. I put everything, the parts. Then we will start now, and then we will try to start this engine. Okay. 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 I already finished this putting back all these spare parts of this Hangkai. Now this is the moment of testing and tuning up now. Also, I am going to tune up also this one, and for maybe 30 minutes running. Let's say if it's run good, and then this is the one also we need to check the gasoline consumption, the oil, and then the running condition, no defects and everything. All right, so now on the manual, on this manual, it says that this I call this what do you call this, add mixture. Okay, okay guys, so I read all this manual, okay, I read this manual in this Hangkai, and it says here that you add mixture with 30 to 1 on the gasoline, the fuel unleaded, so we use unleaded, and then the oil. This is the oil I have, SAE 40. Okay, on manual it says SAE 40 10W40, but I already buy this AE 40 only, but I don't know, is the winter 10 is just only a weather. If your weather is a little bit cold, then with this 10 it's 10 degrees, let's say, it says like that. But this one is okay. I've used this engine before. My engine used this 30 SAE 30. Okay, but this Hangkai is, they are using SAE 40. All right, so we add now. Okay, so this is the mixture now. On this gallon is 35 to 1. I don't know if you can see the 35. Say here 35 is to 1. In the review on YouTube, when I watch this Hangkai, they are using this ratio, the 35 is to 1. So, and then I will go with this one. Alright, the manual say 30 is to 1, but looks like much preferred to use 35 is to 1. They have no problem. So I follow their review. No problem with their engine, so we try this one. Okay, okay, let's try to mix. So this mixture this mixture gallon is, you put the oil here on this small one, you put the oil here on this small container, and it will flow from here. That's the level on this okay, so this one, if it's filled up already, the liquid will fall here. There is like a hole here on this side, so you just put the oil on this part, and 35 gallons. So once this oil so once your gas is reached here, it's okay also, and then oil will be here. All right, okay, see that one? That's a fill up. Okay, I will put a gas here also. Now I will put the gas here. Always check that your gas is clean also. That's very important also. Okay, we are using unleaded. That's the manufacturer recommended. Unleaded. Very important that when you're mixing it's a proper ratio all the time. The better ratio, the better engine will be running. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's the ratio. Okay, now we do a good mix. Okay, you know already that when you're using a gas, it's very dangerous. Right? Just a good mix. Okay, we put now our hangkai. Now we are on the starting point. Okay, you need to prepare. One thing you need to prepare when you are, of course, we are not on the sea or running this engine at sea or lake, or we are not in the water, no. So I put a bucket with this in submerged propeller. Okay, because the cooling system is in the side, it will have water here inside, and there is for the cooling system. All right, now let's start this Hangkai 3.5 horsepower. Okay, for starting you need to pump first this oil. There is a pumping here on this one. See this one, you need to pump the oil from the tank, the tank of the, if you see this oil is already full, you see the, okay, see if you can see, I don't know if you can see, there's gas now on the line and it's full also. Okay, now it's ready to start now. Okay, check if it's tight. All right, okay. Then you need to put the choke from opposition. This is the opposition. It's so that the engine will choke. Okay, let's try to start. Okay, let's start to start. So you okay, put the choke to the opposition so that it's suck, so that the gas will go inside. Right, let's start. Hope it will run properly and no defects. Okay, I will start again. Because it's get messy. Okay, I will start again. This one, the cooling system, this inside, it's running. Okay, it means all this impeller through the inside is okay, right? check the propeller if it's running properly and the rotation, right? Full, choke close, and then it's start already. It's not that easy, it's not hard to start. Okay, let's try to start one click. Alright. Minutes for tune up before I use this one on my boat. I hope it can carry it like let's say 4 miles per hour. Let's see later. I will do a review also and use this engine. Okay. So this is the review of my Hangkai 3.5 horsepower of China, made in China. Okay, I ordered this one on Lazada in Philippines. Okay, very worth it. I would like to try it in sea in this boat. Okay, and yeah, I'm going to put a video also on this Hangkai with my boat. Alright, so see you next time. So it came good for me. My review is okay. Some of the Hangkai YouTube review has defects, but this one has no defects, and then it's very easy to start. I checked everything and it's came properly okay. Alright, see you next time on my video. I will try on my boat next time. Keep safe everyone. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.